This is the FFR Trading Market Minute. This is the first market minute for 2026. And when we left off, we were back here before the holidays. Here's right around Christmas Eve. We made a new all-time high. We did get some pullback. You can see the RSI was overextended, overbought, as they say. And we got a pullback basically back to the moving average. Looks like they filled a little gap back here. And then went on to make another new all-time high. But what I'm noticing here, and the reason I'm saying some caution here, is you see we made a higher high in price, but the oscillator here is failed to make a new high or follow the price. So we have some bearish divergence set up on the daily chart here. Here we closed with this red candle here, and that forced the RSI back below its moving average, the red line here. And today we broke yesterday's low, which tells me we should get more follow through to the downside. So that first target is going to be the 20 period moving average, the black line here. That may be the extent of it. We'll see if it gets below that. Right. Some other targets below that 20 period moving average. Well, if you got some support here now, you'll have another, this low if that gets tested. And then we still have this gap below the market that has yet to fill. So some downside targets there. But let's take a look at the monthly chart. So here's the monthly chart, and I just wanted to point out we peaked on the RSI here on the monthly chart on this month here, and you can see we made a higher high in price. But you see also the oscillator here, right, has failed. As the market was moving higher and made a new all-time high, it on the monthly chart failed to make a new high. So we've got some potential bearish divergence forming here on the monthly chart of the SPY. All right, now this is like a bigger ship. It's going to take more time to play out and turn. But you can see the last time we had some bearish divergence here was back here. And this was just before the crash in 2025 in that March-April turning point there. All right, so something to pay attention to on the bigger picture as we have some monthly divergence as well. Economic data set for release next week. On Tuesday, we've got the CPI, followed Wednesday by the PPI and retail sales. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. Let's have a great trading year. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.